Sure, bro. This driver was lucky as fuck, bro. You see, a driver tailgated us for 5 miles before dangerously overtaking on a bend, nearly colliding with a bus. Bro, some drivers are just too impatient, bro. Like, but he was lucky though. I'm not gonna lie, he was lucky. Bro, just get inside of the car and drive.
towards me. My heart was beating like 6 million beats per second. Like I thought that was it. I thought I was definitely gonna write off the car. Um, but yeah, she said sorry. That's what she said. Sorry, and then carried on. I guess there isn't much we could do after that. There was no damage.
That was straight off instant karma, bro. What the hell? They say a terrifying snowstorm led to a car crash involving a white Audi, showcased the danger of reckless driving in extreme weather conditions. Yo, guys, if this is your first time to be on my YouTube channel, please, I'm begging you guys, hit the subscribe button. That will help me a lot because I am trying to get to the 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, you already know. Yeah, that is the goal as a YouTuber. Get to the 1,000 subscribers and get to the 4,000 watch hour. And you already know. You got monetized. That's it. So you can hit the subscribe button and do me that favor, bro. That's the only thing I ask for. Yo, but let's keep going. Because I don't want to get these guys angry. Some of my viewers.
I took a lot of time off here in town. I took off, if I'm being honest with you, when I was writing that show.
Yo, another impatient driver.
My back hurts. And the nurse is like, that's because you're busy.
Yeah. Sure. Yo.
Jesus. That was close. Got that on camera as well. You're right. I think she just stamped me. Is that right? Huh? That's yeah. She's not used to it, is she? Huh? It's electric. She didn't hit the car, did she?
No, she hit the gravel.
Yeah, I know she went on.
You can see there's nothing on her car.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was lucky.
I think I'm around here, love. You know. What the fuck are you doing? It's only one lane. This isn't a 2-lane, sir.
To it after I watched the episode. It's not the song I would play at a birthday party. No, probably not. But I love that song. People are gonna sneak off from this party, and they're gonna have some cake in the warehouse. The warehouse is the sneak site, clearly. Clearly, and I mean, isn't Angela uncomfortable being in that room with all those other people, including her fiance? She doesn't have any guilt about it. I guess not. She has no problem sleeping at night. We've established that. That's true. Stanley is in the room with the cake, but he's not even eating it. He said his tastes have changed. Now all he likes is baklava, which I thought was a really interesting thing to say because baklava is very, very, very sweet. Like if you've lost your sweet tooth, I mean, it's nutty. I love a baklava. I do too. It's dense though. It's a dense, sugary treat. I know. Please? And I often eat too much of it and I get a stomach ache because, you know, they give you a tiny piece and I'll eat like 5 of them because they're just so good. Well, that's what happens with you. You're always like, Ange, look how cute, it's so tiny. I know. And then you're like, Ange, I have a stomach ache. I know. Dwight, Holly, Michael.
Yo guys, please let me know in the comment section what you think about the video. If you enjoy watching my content, please let me know in the comment section. Yo, that's it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. That will be a very good thing, bro.